Vlog 11, Phon-Er, RE Gold. Today we are going to Coffee Bean right now to get some coffee to wake up a little. Last night it was a little hectic schedule. Was a little slept late, woke up early, slept late again, etc, etc. So it's all good, it's all good. Today's Saturday and we are going to a birthday today. It's my brother's birthday at 7 p.m. in the valley. So I'll try to get that in there in this vlog so you guys can see how our party goes and how it goes down. Meantime, I'm going to Coffee Bean right now, so you're coming with me, so come with. See who's out there, what's going on. I'm pretty sure Christopher Columbus is there. Christopher, the guy you always hear me talk about, so he's probably going to be there, so we'll see what he's doing and take it from there. I really love the weather. It's beautiful, it's amazing, it's beautiful sun. 76 degrees, but it actually is 80 outside. So it's a great weather. Great weather. Finally some nice weather after like 3 days of weird weather. But yesterday was good too. The few days before that it was just not good. But we managed, everything is good. We just stayed in-house. We didn't really go out. And that's how I usually push those days away and over. Plants are so long, I was hit them with my car mirrors. Can't see any cars. And we are good. I haven't had coffee for at least 5 days. I was trying to stay off coffee, but I realized coffee is really essential for me to get work done. Without coffee, I just do less work and that's not being productive. So coffee it is. Final decision. Court has come to a verdict. Here we are. We are on our way. The beanie. Bean we come. Bean be ready. Ari's in the house. You can come. Guys, now we're good. Straight. Coffee. Good. Guys, I'm gonna head out home now. I'll let you guys go and I'll see you guys back with more things coming our way as the day unfolds. So stay tuned and I will be right back with you guys. Thank you guys. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, this is Phon-Er again, Vlog 11. We are on our way to Toluca Lake to fix an iPhone 6s. It's from my friend's son, Caddy, and we're on our way there. We're going there before we go to our birthday party, which is my brother's birthday. He's becoming 33, so I just thought I should kill this one last job before I go to enjoy my night. Business before pleasure always, of course, and that's how you roll. That's how we do it because that's how it's done. That's the best way to go about it. So yeah, so we are on our way and it should be like just 20 minutes. Arrival 333, which is my lucky number. So it should be great. So stay tuned for the repair as we bring it your way. Thank you guys. That's a cut for now and we'll see you soon. Peace, true fam. Hey guys, we're almost there at our success job. I've got to mention that this house used to be Bill Cosby's mother's house. It was sold to my customer, Kathy. So We are almost there. I'm just gonna. Here's the area. It's pretty nice houses. Very chill. Very green. Very chill. And I'll show you. That's the house on the right, on my left, as you see. I'll show you my clothes when I get there. Look how beautiful that is. That's Bill Cosbys' mother's house that he bought for her long ago, and you sold to my friend Kathy. Park. Rear camera confirms that we're good. Let's go do this. Let's see, what do we? Back in, we need to get the keys. I always have my keys there. I gotta take it out every single time. Okay, let's see. Turn the car off. Now we're apart. Going for it now.
Cuando estudió en la escuela, pajarita se de botín. Cuando visita a su abuela, si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con un ratoncito. Si quiere ser mi amante, debe ser.
Such a cute little person, aren't you? Get this little bunny.
You got what you wanted, stop in bed. I wrote a telegram to you. Stop in bed.
She left. I'll get back to her. Hey guys, we just left Kathy's son's phone. We just finished that. And we left Max, who's Kathy's son. And we are right now. We're just packing up to go to wash the car, so then we can go to our birthday. This is my brother's birthday. My biological brother's. He's becoming 33, I believe. Yes, 33. He's doing it at this restaurant called The Pure in the Valley in LA. So we'll see what happens, and I'll try to get that on video if possible. If I do, they'll probably be in my vlog 12, because I don't want to make this one way too long, because I don't want you guys to get bored from watching, or to just kill your day by watching too much YouTube. You should also have time to do your own stuff. So I always consider that. Always in my considerations, not to steer you away from your other important things. Hey guys, I guess I will see you guys soon, today or tomorrow. In the meantime, thank you for watching. That's a wrap for now for vlog 11. This is Ari Gold, Phon-Er, and stay golden, be positive, and have a great weekend. That's a cut. Thank you for watching, and I'm out. Peace. Cut. True fam.